A pleasant evening to you. I'm Dwayne Burbick with your Business Day. The Bank of Jamaica has provided more details on its plan to start an auction system for the foreign exchange market. The system will be used to determine exchange rates on a daily basis, and the Central Bank Governor Brian Winter says it will make the system more efficient. Dashan Hendricks tells us how.
Bank of Jamaica is going to be implementing a foreign exchange intervention and trading tool.
BFEXIT for short, a tool which the Bank of Jamaica Governor Brian Winter says will modernize the system under which foreign currencies are traded in Jamaica, making it more efficient. That change will involve an auction of foreign currency, but Mr. Winter rushed to indicate that auction will not include restricting the amount of foreign exchange anyone gets, as happened in the 1980s.
We're in a different world. We have very healthy reserves now. And the other thing to be clear about is that our exchange rate today is not chronically overvalued. We've been quite honest and open about this over the last few years.
In fact, Mr. Winter says it's because the Jamaican dollar is now fairly valued, which makes it possible now for the Bank of Jamaica to change how the exchange rate is determined. The change is expected to start at the end of July.
We're going to be committing 4 weeks ahead to weekly auctions or sales, where the market and the public will know exactly how much million US dollars Bank of Jamaica will be selling on a specific day each week.
Mr. Winter says that will create more certainty in the foreign exchange market, and if the amount of currency demanded is more than it said it would sell, the BOJ would then increase the amount available. He said added rules will be implemented to minimize instability, and the foreign exchange rate will be published in the middle of the day as well as at the end, as is now the case. A foreign exchange code of conduct will also be developed to guide how dealers interact with the Bank of Jamaica and their customers. All in all, the changes are to make sure people who want foreign exchange get what they want when they want it.
When it's time, when I want to buy, do I go to the bank and the bank says, boy, there's no dollars? Because that happens to people. They're told, no, come back tomorrow. We need to eliminate that. You need to be able to buy today if you want to buy today. But you have to be prepared to pay the price today if you don't want to wait till tomorrow.
For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Still on the foreign exchange market, trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $129.15. The Canadian dollar is selling for $97.94. The pound sterling costs $165.04, while the euro costs $145.99. The price of cement is going up. Carib Cement will be adjusting the prices on its range of products effective next Monday. Carib Cement Plus will be increased by $38 per bag. Carib Cement will be facilitating collection of cement purchased at the existing price up until June 30. Stock trading ended today with the main JSE market index down more than 1,642 points, while the junior market index lost 11 points in trading. The winners of the day included 1834 Investments, Derriman Trading, Main Event Entertainment, Pulse Investments, and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end were Berger Paints, Caribbean Cream, Jamaica Brawlers, Kingston Wharves, Lasco Manufacturing, and T-Tech. And that's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.